Hey, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. I missed chatting with you. I know it's been a hot minute, but I am back and I'm so excited because spring is almost here, which means it's time for my spring color trend report. In case you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Sydney. Make sure you subscribe. So every season I kick things off with my color trend report. I think color is a really easy way to enter a new season because chances are you probably already have some of these colors in your wardrobe. And it also helps to think about when you're making new purchases for spring and summer. So every year Pantone releases all the colors that are hot for the season. So you can see all of those behind me. And they also have a color of the year. This year is Classic Blue. Pantone says the meaning behind Classic Blue for 2020 is calm, confidence, and connection. So it's our desire for stability as we enter this new era. And I agree, I think blues are so incredibly calming. And luckily for spring, there are a ton of blues that are gonna be on trend. So the four colors of blues that are going to be the trendiest of the season are Classic Blue, which we talked about, Faded Denim, which like it sounds, it's a lighter blue, like a faded pair of jeans, Mosaic Blue, which is a little bit of a softer blue, and Navy Blazer, which like it sounds, looks like a navy blazer. There are endless ways to wear blue. Personally, I do feel the calming effect, so I like blue for more casual looks, like a button down and a pair of jeans. I also like blue with prints paired with white. I love denim on denim. And then I also like pairing lighter blues with navy. Navy is also a good base for pairing with any other color. Continuing with the cool tones, there are two different greens, Biscay green, which is more like an aqua, and then chive, which is more like an olive green. Biscay green makes me think of growing up in Miami. I always wore aqua and orange, go Dolphins. So these days I don't really have much of it in my wardrobe. I do have a turquoise bag that's a bit of a Biscay green, so I like to wear that with whites. My girl McKenna Blue looks gorgeous in this color. I think it really suits blonde hair and is great for dresses. Chive is much more my jam. It's more of an olive green, so it has that earthy feel. I wear it with pants, with my bathing suits when I'm at a resort. I wear it with jumpsuits. I wear it with shorts, all different ways to wear chive. Staying with the cool tones, purple is also big this season. They're calling it grape compote. I don't know where they got these names. So purple is a very bold color. I don't have too many pieces. I do have this one dress that I absolutely love and I can't wait to wear again. I personally like lighter purples, so lilac and lavender, and that is definitely on trend for the season as well. Sticking with lighter colors, coral is very in. If you remember last year, Coral Crush was the big color of the year. Well, it's still holding its own. I love a coral dress and I really like coral with accessories, like a coral handbag, and it especially looks great if you have a tan. So definitely a color to keep in mind as we head into summer. Now let's go into the warmer colors. Orange is huge. They're calling it orange peel. It's a classic orange. I know orange can be intimidating, so you could definitely do it with an accessory like my girl Annabelle from Viva Luxury did with a handbag. I personally love a bold orange, especially when I have that summer glow. So I'll wear it with dresses and tops. It looks great with white and it also looks good with yellow. Speaking of yellow, which just happens to be my favorite color, yellow is also big this season in two different shades. Saffron, which is more of a honey golden color, and then yellow sunlight, which is more of a pale yellow. I wear yellow a ton. I like it with white, I like it with jeans, I like it on its own. I mean, how killer does my girl Elizabeth Keane look in this yellow suit? I think I need to borrow that. And then if you don't like the bold color, you could do a lighter yellow like my girl Cheryl of Walk in Wonderland did with just a simple t-shirt. Staying in the warm color category, there are two different reds. One is Flame Scarlet, which is a bright, bold red, and then one is an earthier tone. They're calling it Cinnamon Stick. So for Cinnamon Stick, I think it's a nice way to bring more of an earthy element into your summer look. I have a slip dress that I wear in the spring and summer. You could also do a pair of pants or shorts with a white tee. The Scarlet, bright red, all about it. It looks good on so many different skin tones and hair colors. You could do a top with jeans, you could do it with white, you could do a bold dress, you could pair red with pink. Honestly, the options are endless with red. That covers the brights. Now let's talk neutrals. There are 3 neutrals that Pantone is saying are big for spring. One is ash, which is a grayish tone. One is lark, which is tan. And then there's brilliant white, which is a bright white. So we'll start with my favorite, which is white. I just love wearing white. Yellow is my favorite color. White is my favorite color to wear. I think all white looks so chic. You can add a pop of color with an accessory or not. You can play with different textures, and of course you can pair it with any other color that we're talking about. Lark is a tan color, so basically any neutral that you have. Again, I love head to toe neutrals. I think it's incredibly chic and slimming, which is always a plus. And then ash, I don't usually wear too much gray outside of winter. I did go to a wedding where we were all required to wear gray bridesmaids dresses, and I thought that was really pretty. You could also do gray jeans like Cheryl did with a white tee. So if you're into gray, hey, wear it from spring into summer. So I hope this color report helps you as we enter the new season, and as always, I love seeing what you girls are wearing. So I have changed my hashtag because now it's covering Instagram TV as well. So the hashtag we're now using is SS InstaFam. So just tag me at Sydney Summer and add SS InstaFam and show me how you are wearing the colors of the season. Every week I round up my trend girls of the week and I'll feature her over on my Insta stories on Instagram. So I missed you. I'm so happy to be back. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and I will see you soon. Happy almost spring. I have hair in my mouth. Ugh, hold on. Jack. Okay.